In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image using Adobe Photoshop. This is an essential skill, whether you're creating graphics for online use, designing print materials, or enhancing photographs. We'll take this journey together, so get comfortable and let's dive right in. To begin, open your desired image in Photoshop. You'll notice that the layer with your image is likely locked and labeled as the background layer. This is the default setting when you open an image. We need to unlock it so we can make necessary edits. Simply double-click on the layer in the Layers panel. When you do this, a dialog box will appear allowing you to rename the layer if you wish. Once you've done that, click OK. You've now successfully unlocked your image for editing. Next, look over to the Layers panel and make sure you've selected your newly unlocked layer. This ensures that any changes or actions we take are applied directly to this layer. Now navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down list, select Properties. A panel will appear on your screen. In this panel, locate the Quick Actions section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Remove Background. Click on this and let Photoshop's built-in AI do the heavy lifting for you. It utilizes subject detection technology to intelligently mask out the background for you, making the process simpler and often more precise than manual methods. Once the background removal process is complete, you'll see a layer mask has been created alongside your image layer in the Layers panel. This mask is what hides your background, leaving the subject of your image isolated. At this point, you can add a solid color or even a transparent layer beneath your main image. This will help you see how well the subject has been separated from the background. Sometimes, the automatic masking might miss a spot or two, but not to worry, you can refine it manually. To do this, click on the Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. With the mask selected, use the Brush tool, found in the toolbar on the left, with either black or white as your foreground color. Painting over the edges with black will hide parts of the image, while painting with white will reveal them. This is particularly useful for fixing any parts of the image that might need a little extra attention. Finally, when you're happy with the results, it's time to save your work. To keep the transparency of your new image, export your file as a PNG. This format supports transparency, which is crucial if you're planning to use the image on different backgrounds. Alternatively, if you want a simple, flattened image, you can merge it with a new background of your choice. And there you have it, a beautifully isolated subject ready to be used in any way you see fit. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.